Hot one, backwasher for food, or sour liquid in the throat. Upper belly or a chest pain, trouble in the swallowing. Acid reflux can be a constant battle. But don't worry, you are just about to know some very simple yet very effective solutions that can calm your gut in no time. Stay tuned to find quick relief, as in this video, I will be telling you some effective, fast-acting remedies using time-tested Ayurvedic principles and practical tips. Let's explore these solutions. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra, an Ayurvedic doctor with over 15 years of a clinical experience in holistic healing and wellness. Stay tuned, as in this video, I will be telling you some effective, fast-acting remedies using time-tested Ayurvedic principles and practical tips. Let's explore these solutions. We're going to talk about effective remedies to get rid of acid reflux fast. So, first of all, we're going to talk about baking soda and water. Yeah, a quick and effective remedy is mixing 1/4 teaspoon of a baking soda and water. Baking soda is alkaline and can neutralize stomach acid rapidly. It's a handy solution for immediate relief. Just be cautious and don't overuse it, as it's high in sodium, so that can lead to further some sodium increase concentration in the body. So using in the said quantity is very helpful to reduce your acid reflux and acidity. Second is the herbal punch. I use it a lot in my clinical practice and it's been like more than 10-15 years. So what is it? You take Guduchi, you take Sudharshan and Kutki. These are three very effective herbs. So in my practice, I often use a powerful blend of a Guduchi and all these herbs to cure my patients who are regularly going through acid reflux. If we talk about the bioenergies of these herbs, Guduchi and the Sudharshan, they are drying in nature, so they help to balance the excess of flowing acid as a lava in your stomach by its drying impact. It also helps to reduce or balance the hot properties of the Pitta dosha as they are cooling in nature. Another important herb which is in this combination is Kutki, because Kutki, it supports flushing of excess Pitta from the body. It supports flushing of excess of Pitta as well, ama, the toxic waste from your liver, from your tissues and from your gut. One of the highly hepatoprotective herb, highly anti-acid herb. So how to use it? You just mix 1 teaspoon of a Guduchi, 1/4 teaspoon of a Sudharshan and a pinch of Kutki. You can take this mixture as a tea or as a powder, whatever is comfortable to you. But with my experience, if you ask me, so many of my patients have found this blend incredibly effective. We use it in many other clinical presentations too. So here, the third one that I want to talk about is Coriander, Fennel and Liquorice tea. A soothing tea made from coriander, fennel and licorice is excellent for reducing acid reflux. And the beauty of this unique blend that it cools the digestive system and promotes the downward movement of vata, which is very important. So far in my previous video, I did talk about the role of vata dosha. The vata dosha takes pitta up and is the causative factor for reflux, regurgitation and all that symptoms which are there in acid reflux. So question is how to prepare this combination. Use steep coriander, fennel seeds and licorice root in hot water. Drink it cold or at room temperature for best results, because I don't want you to boil it and use it hot, because hot is already inside your stomach. That's what is causing a problem. You need a quick fix, so it should be cold, right? So you can steep it in a hot water when it's cold, when it's in a room temperature, and I don't mind, you can put some ice cube into that, so that's also very helpful. So this blend helps break the cycle of reflux by calming both the causative factor, which is pitta and the vata dosha. So next we're going to talk about another drink which is very effective. I did talk about it a lot in my previous videos too. Coconut water is a natural coolant and is a fantastic for pacifying pitta dosha. Its hydrating properties help balance stomach acid and provide immediate relief. So drink it cold to get the best cooling effect. Another one in the list, I did talk about it also in the previous video, is a cold milk. So cold milk can help neutralize stomach acid and coat the stomach lining by offering quick relief. So whether you prefer dairy or plant-based, I always tell my patients it's all your choice. You can take a plant-based alternatives of drinking cold milk, which helps to provide soothing relief from the acid reflux symptoms. Also, cold milk, we did talk about in previous video, is cooling in nature. Its bioenergies are cooling. It helps in balancing pitta dosha, vata dosha. It's very, very helpful. Inducing vomiting with water is very effective. So this is another quick method, and it's about inducing vomiting with water. This technique can help to throw excess pitta from the stomach and providing fast, immediate relief from acid reflux. However, use this method cautiously and consult with healthcare professional if you need it. So these remedies, whatever we discussed, I shared with you, are based upon clinical experience, based upon my journey with the patients, and seeing how these simple changes, simple remedies, their combination can make a huge difference in people's life by not only fixing acidity immediately, but also working at the root cause of the problem. So these remedies offer fast relief from acid reflux, so using Ayurvedic principles and practical solutions. So, as I said, many of my patients have successfully used these methods to calm their symptoms as well as acidity and reflux from the root cause quickly. So, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more holistic health tips. So, have you tried any of these remedies, or do you have other suggestions, or do you think you tried something else which really worked? So, you can share your experience in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.